Hello and welcome, and today I'm your host, Mr. Killison, and I will be giving you a breakdown on the KFC madness. So, I did a little calculations and I've run the numbers through my very sophisticated system. What type of system is that, you may ask? A calculator. So, as you may know, and if you don't, let me bring you up to speed. KFC is celebrating their 50th anniversary in Jamaica. And as such, if you go and you purchase a big deal, which is a 3 pieces of chicken, you will get a meal deal along with that for free, which is 2 pieces of chicken. They have a maximum purchase per customer of 5 big deals. So we're going to work with that max. So if you were to purchase a maximum of 5 big deals, which is 3 pieces of chicken per big deal, times 5. So that is 3 times 5. That would be 15, if my maths are correct, which my calculator is correct. Then you'll be getting 5 meal deals with that. Mind you, we're going off the max, okay? Which is 5 per customer. So 5 times 2 is 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. So that means you'll be getting 25 pieces of chicken for the price of 5 big deals. However, have you done the maths? Don't worry, I've done it for you. So, five big deal would equate to $7,100. KFC has a bucket deal, 21 pieces of chicken for $8,140. If that information is incorrect, I'll put the correction right above here. Please don't crucify me. I'm not the Lord after all. So, is it worth it? Is it worth to spend $1,600 and about $40 extra for 4 pieces of chicken? I don't know. But I leave you to make that decision, my lovely friends. Thank you. And this is me signing out. Have a lovely 50th KFC day.